Oh, thank you, KC38, for the going off radio, and I'm going to turn off the TV. Uh-oh, my coastal waters.
River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30
Bro, I'm playing Roblox.
2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stronger thunderstorms were located
Back to normal.
extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Bayport to 9 nautical miles northwest of
Oh, come on.
42 nautical miles
Bro.
west of Indian Rocks Beach.
You have to reset. Bro, I'm going to...
Wind gusts 34 knots over
H, can you not
source.
die like that?
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots.
The battery case always comes out sometimes.
Frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azella, Clearwater Beach, Sandy Bridge, Bayport, Tampa Bay, Fort Franklin,
This is now EAS 58 and 59.
Rocks Beach, Dedicated, Port Kimball Causeway, Treasure Island, Orlando Beach,
What did the 991 song?
Key, Indian Shore Reef, Arapaca, Hillsborough Bay, and Johns Pass. Move to safe harbor until after this weather passes.
Dead tuner. We need to fix it.
Now for the official.
And the last one's KC38.
Your coastal waters.
Bro. Dude. Why another one? They already expired one, but still, it's now for my coastal waters. Bro.